In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Google search page dark mode in Mozilla Firefox in just a few simple steps. If your Google results page suddenly looks dark and you want to switch it back to the regular light appearance, this quick tutorial will walk you through exactly what to do. This is helpful if you prefer a brighter screen, want better readability, or just want Google to look the way it used to. If this video helps, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, go to google.com in the address bar and press enter. This will take you to the Google homepage where you can access the search settings. Now, perform a search or stay on the Google page and look toward the bottom right corner of the screen. You should see the settings option there. Click on settings to open the Google page options. Depending on your browser window and the layout, this menu may appear slightly different, but the settings link is usually located in the lower right area of the page. After the settings menu opens, look for the dark theme option. If dark mode is currently enabled, you will see that it is turned on. Simply click dark theme off to disable it. Once you do that, Google search should immediately switch back to the light theme. That's it. You've now successfully turned off Google search page dark mode in Mozilla Firefox. It only takes a few clicks, and now your Google results page should look brighter and more comfortable for you to use. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future quick fixes and browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.